Okay lang ba i-add ko? Kasi lately, naiintriga kayo ni Ria na separated, which is parang obviously hindi man yata totoo. Pero ano din naging reaction mo doon?
Wala na akong reaction sa mga ganyan. Kasi napakadami na ng fake news na lumalabas talaga sa YouTube. Ang dami tumatawag sa akin na from the States. Uy, totoo ba? Totoo ba? Sabi ko, bakit yan ang libangan niyo? Tapos, kasi gusto nila malaman, kasi para ikukwento nila sa mga kaibigan nila doon na hindi totoo, parang ganyan. Wala, siguro yung kung paano ako umabot sa ganito, siguro yung dating version ng sarili ko na parang, yun, insecure, matagal magdesisyon, kumbaga walang bilib sa sarili, yun yung mga binago ko. Yun yung mga pinilit kong tanggalin sa sarili ko. And then yun, gumanda yung pananaw ko sa buhay. Naging maganda yung relationship ko sa mga tao. At yun, ngayon may masaya na akong pamilya, sarili.
Okay, thank you, Zee. Kay Tom.
Yeah, I like what Angelica said. Gusto ko yun na in a relationship, you know, it takes two people to have a relationship. So for your part, you also have to take accountability of your part or your end of it. Kasi kung ma-stuck ka dun sa, as humans, minsan nagtatanong vision tayo, we get stuck in a victim type of mindset. We are doomed to repeat our failings or mag-stuck tayo sa ginawa sa atin or hindi mo rin acknowledge yung mga nagawa mo. You're doomed to repeat that and hindi ka magkakaroon ng worthwhile talaga na relationship. And as yung sinabi din ni Z, kay Z situation, I kind of relate a little bit na I felt lucky that when I started my next relationship, it was when I was away from show business. Kasi hindi mo na realize na sometimes a relationship doesn't have to be ideal, but it needs to be real. And sometimes the REEL part of it, hindi mo pag nagbe-blur yung totoong buhay mo sa trabaho mo, minsan hindi mo namamalayan you're living it for someone else. Sa fans, especially if there's a separation involved, or yun nga, may mga news people are like speculating things na hindi naman nila alam because they're not part of that relationship. Na parang tubig na inapakapaka mo sa dagat tas nagiging murky na yung water. So for me, I felt lucky that I had that separation of it na mas naging clear yung boundaries ko between my job and my profession. Na ngayon parang klaro na siya. I come here, I clock into work, trabaho ko to. When I go home, I don't have to deal with any of that. I am so thankful and grateful for my job, but it doesn't dictate my personal life. Na yun lang yung parang nakakita ko na difference na mahirap din. It's possible kasi you guys are navigating it well. Na maging successful yung mga showbiz relationships. Pero yun nga na hindi natin maalis na since a lot of our lives are public, a lot of people then feel like they are part of that relationship na pag may nag-end na relationships, totoo din yung sakit na nararamdaman nila at totoo rin yung gusto nila na maging part ng relationship na yon. And it's a tough thing na i-navigate. Kaya I can relate, I can feel what they both said.
Okay,
I thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Si Nico, I guess meron din tong mga pinagdaanan.
Instead of focusing on the relationship, you focus on yourself, tsaka dun sa outside, yung external. So, yung binago ko would be, kontiin mo yung mga people na would matter to you. For in my case, the only people who are important to me is my mom and my wife. That's it. They're the only people who I listen to, I seek advice, and they matter to me. And the second one is you try your best to be a good person. Kasi good vibes come from within, not from without. So, yun lang.
Keep your
Of
circle
course, last
small.
but
No?
not the
Yes,
least.
keep your peace. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you. Last but not the least, of course, okay?
Siguro ano na lang, yung favorite quote namin ni Angelica tsaka ni Azanjo, past is past. Yun na lang, talinong-talino kami doon sa favorite quote namin na past is past. So kung ano man yung pinagdaanan mong masakit, Diyos ko, kalimutan mo na. Move on. Kung patuloy kang malungkot, maybe you're not in the right place. Try to move out. Move on, travel. Okay? So, I think ako ay isang perfect example ng hope to all. I'm a late bloomer. Hindi natin inasahan, hindi ko rin inasahan. But of course, hindi ako hindi ako sumuko. Hindi ako nanatili sa isang lugar. You need to move out, move on, spread your wings. Spread your wings and prepare to fly. Something like that. Yun ang may papayo ko. Kung hindi ka man maganda dito, baka maganda ka sa ibang bansa.
Yun na, perfect! Oh, yun. Okay, thank you po and syempre congrats.